news that we are getting for you here on our show. This regarding a Prime Minister who is going to be reviewing the COVID situation on the ground. In fact, the Prime Minister will be chairing a COVID review meet. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray will be attending the crucial meet. However, no decision has been taken on any weekend curfew in Maharashtra so far. That's the big breaking news we are getting for you. Prime Minister Modi will be chairing a review meeting. This is going to happen via video conferences with the Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray this evening. And this is going to be regarding the COVID situation. This is something that the Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar has confirmed. Remember, Mumbai has been one of the worst hit along with Delhi when it comes to the rising spike that we have seen in not just COVID but even the Omicron cases which are being detected. The Prime Minister himself is going to be reviewing the situation in Maharashtra with the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. This is going to be via a video conference meeting which is going to happen sometime in the evening. Let me go across to Shivani, who's joining us with more details on this. Shivani, this is perhaps the need of the hour. The centre, I'm sure the Prime Minister will be extending all possible support to the state which has seen some of the biggest spikes in the days to come.
Yes, we are exactly. Mayor Kishori Pednekar earlier also a few days back said that once Mumbai city starts recording around 20,000 cases, then we'll have to think about a lockdown or a weekend curfew kind of a situation here, particularly in Mumbai. And in the state also, when the cases are rising, then lockdown-like situation might emerge. Wherein now today she also said that CM Uddhav Thackeray will be holding on a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the lockdown or weekend curfew to be imposed or not to be imposed, wherein CM Uddhav Thackeray will be briefing Prime Minister regarding the situation in the state, especially about their arrangements and preparations to face COVID and Omicron cases simultaneously, wherein cities at every day recording more than 5,000-6,000 cases in addition. So again, today the meeting will be held and the final decision will be announced by evening 7 p.m. of time. That is what we are learning, wherein it has been said that a weekend curfew might be imposed, and after that also, if the cases won't stop to rise again, then of course a complete curfew or an extension in the curfew will be discussed, and will that be imposed in the city, particularly in Mumbai. And apart from that, in other places of Maharashtra, overall, what we understand is that mini lockdown and weekend curfew will be imposed since the cases are rising highest in the country, only in Maharashtra.
We'll keep trying the developments on that front. Thank you so much for joining us with all those details, Shivani.